What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Social Cut. I'm Steve. Thanks for watching, fellas. And today I gotta give a shout out to one of my followers again. He sent me a good topic. He asked me to do something about facial care, talk about facials, what do I do to take care of my face. So here we go, guys. I'm gonna give you guys easy men's facial to do at home. I'm gonna give you some of my secrets, what I do to take care of my money maker. And by now, all of you guys should be having some type of routine to clean your face at home, wash your face, a daily facial cleanser. But I'm gonna show you what I use here. If you guys don't have the time, I always recommend do at least once a week at home. At the shop, it takes about an hour to do a facial. So if you guys are ever in the neighborhood, stop by my shop, guys. We do a facial. So what exactly is a facial? The whole point of the facial is to get deep down in your pores, to give you guys an extra clean face, a daily moisturizer. A daily cleanser. Doesn't get in too deep. It's just maintenance work. But at the shop, we do a hot towel, we put a steam machine in your face. The whole point of that is to open up the pores. Then we put a black mask that dries up, it soaks up all the oil, anything, all that dirt in your face. We peel it off, we add a moisturizer, we add a toner. Man, it's an awesome experience. So you guys gotta check it out whenever you guys wanna stop by the shop. I'd love to hook you guys up. But of course, a lot of guys don't have the time or either can't always make it to the shop. That type of facial I recommend at least once a month. But hey, you gotta be proactive. And you want to make sure your face, when you get older, you got to start now, because once you get older, man, you're gonna notice the difference in your face. You're gonna start like more wrinkles, just not a healthy skin, looks dry, and that starts now by taking care of your face. So let me show you some of my daily cleansing, some daily cleansers I use for my face. This is one of my favorites here, Cetaphil. And when I get you guys come in the shop and we talk facials, that kind of stuff, these guys, I ask you guys, what do you guys use for your face? And if you're using the same bar soap that you use on your body, come on, guys. That type of soap is too harsh on your face. And plus, dude, you're using that bar soap, you're putting it down there, bro, you put it in between here, and then you put that on your face? Come on, man. You don't want that on your face, guys. Plus, like I said, that's super harsh. You don't want that on your face, because I tell you guys all the time, different parts of your body have different skin. The skin on your face is a lot softer and thinner than other parts of your body, like your knees, your arms. Your skin's a lot thicker. Your face is a lot delicate, so you want to make sure to use a softer cleanser like this here, Cetaphil. It's a daily facial cleanser, and I love this thing here. It helps clean your face. It helps get rid of that excess oil, and it's a good way to be proactive to take care of your skin. And another one that I like to use, little combo action here, some Noxzema. Man, I've been using this combo forever, fellas. I like to wash my face first with the Cetaphil, and then I apply some Noxzema, and I actually kind of use it like a face mask. You can wash it off really quick, but what I like to do is to put it on my face and leave it there for a few minutes, let it dry up, and then I wash it off. So yeah, definitely double up on these two here. And you always, little extra bonus tip, this little face scrub right here. You don't have to use this, you're good enough using your hands or something like that, but I like this because it's a soft scrub. Again, you don't want to use a scrub for your face or something like that. It's a lot harsher. They're usually really thick. I like this here because it's a lot softer, and just gonna rub it on your face. It's a good way to scrub off all that excess dirt you have on your face. And now, fellas, the face mask that I use at home. Check it out, guys. Indian Healing Clay. Look at this label, guys. The more authentic the label looks, the better, bro. It just looks like it works wonders. Look at this. All right, man. So let me tell you what this has here. It's Bentonite clay. This is it actually comes from volcano ash. Doesn't that just sound amazing, bro? It has to work. It has to work, right? But so what does bentonite clay do? It helps soak up all the excess oil, and it helps prevent acne. And for me, I have normal, my skin isn't too oily. I have pretty normal skin. Sometimes I do get some oily skin, but this works wonders if you have normal to oily skin. If you have issues with acne, this thing right here works miracles, man. And after we're done with the face mask, we wash it off. We gotta follow it up with a moisturizer, guys. And this here, I love using CeraVe moisturizer. So this has salicylic acid. So unlike my other moisturizers that I use, this one I only use after the face mask to help prevent, again, extra oil. It prevents acne because the salicylic acid helps with all that good stuff. But yeah, that's kind of my arsenal here that I do about once a week. But yeah, let me show you how I do it, guys. There you have it, guys. Easy men's facials to do at home. It doesn't take too long, guys. I don't know if it looks intimidating to you guys, but it's pretty easy. Once you buy all these things here, it's gonna last for a good while, and you just gotta kind of get in the groove of this, kind of get used to doing it weekly, and you guys can do it pretty quick. It won't take long, and it's never too much, man, because you guys take care of the money maker. And yeah, man, you're gonna see the difference. And one thing I forgot to mention, very important, guys, you gotta do it consistently, guys. I've been doing this for years. A lot of guys, you try something once, twice, and you don't see results. And guess what? I already know you guys stop and don't want to do it anymore. But you guys gotta stick with it. Trust me, you guys will see results. I see the difference. Like I said, I've done it for years. I never really get pimples, and I think I really feel it's because of the routine that I do here once a week. That's why I really don't get any of those pimples or really oily skin. Here and there I do get it, but not too bad by me doing this every week, guys. Alright, man, so hopefully you enjoy these tips, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Please let me know, put some comments, put your comments below if you guys have questions, and show some love, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, thumbs up. And make sure you guys check me out on social media at The Social Cut. And don't forget, guys, subscribe to my channel. And there you have it, fellas. We'll see you next time.